Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Snapchat device ban in Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your Snapchat up to date or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. In this, you search Snapchat. Check your Snapchat up to date or not. If your Snapchat already up to date, then go back, go to the settings, then select here apps. Then search here Snapchat. Then press on force stop. Then press on storage. Press on manage space. Before clearing the data, read this sentence carefully. Snap will permanently delete the following app data from your device: Snap and charts, logins, settings, personal info, app activity. Snaps that you saved to camera roll and other app data will not be deleted. And you should know your user ID and password. Then press on delete. After doing this, go back, go to the again setting, then press on system and updates. In this, you can see here date and time. Open this option. Here you should enable set automatically time zone. If you disable this option, you should enable this option. After doing this, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.